Hello everyone, this is Professor Mahesh Birazdar from Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department from the Anand College of Pharmacy. Today I am going to discuss about the next part of the carboxylic acid, that is preparation of the carboxylic acid. What are the various methods to prepare the carboxylic acid? How these carboxylic acids are prepared? There are some methods are enlisted here. Number one is oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes. Second one is oxidation of alkenes, hydrolysis of nitriles, hydrolysis of esters, carboxylation of Grignard's by using Grignard's reagent. It is called as Grignard method. Another one is a carboxylation of alkenes. Let us see one by one method of preparation of carboxylic acid. Number one method is oxidation of primary alcohols and aldehydes. The statement of the reaction is primary alcohol and aldehyde on oxidation with sodium or potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7, and sulfuric acid or potassium permanganate gives the corresponding carboxylic acid. These are the oxidizing agents which oxidizes the alcohol and aldehyde to form the corresponding product. That is C. Alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde. Aldehyde again on oxidation gives acid. So this is the example ethyl alcohol by using potassium dichromate and H2SO4, it gives acetaldehyde, which on further oxidation it gives acetic acid. Simple reaction is there. Second one is the oxidation of alkenes. Alkenes on oxidation, alkenes react with basic potassium permanganate under vigorous condition to produce carboxylic acid. See the reaction. Alkenes are CH double bond CHR. Symmetrical alkene is there. This is the potassium permanganate, water. It gives carboxylic acids. Example 2-butene, which on oxidation it gives 2 molecules of acetic acid. There is mechanism of the reaction is there. By breaking of this carbon-carbon double bond, potassium permanganate as oxidizing agent in this reaction, it forms 2 molecules of acetic acid. Next reaction is hydrolysis of nitriles. Nitriles are also called as alkyl cyanides. Nitriles or alkyl cyanides are compounds with the general formula RCN. They are prepared by treating alkyl halides with sodium cyanide. The nitriles on acid hydrolysis forms carboxylic acid. Two methods are there, acid hydrolysis and base hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis by using the acid, base hydrolysis by using the base OH- and here H+. RCN gives carboxylic acid. This is basic hydrolysis, means by using the base it gives or it forms carboxylic acid along with ammonia, carboxylate ion and ammonia. In next step, hydrolysis, next preparation method of carboxylic acid is hydrolysis of esters. When ester is boiled with concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide and treatment with acid to give carboxylic acid. That is, when an ester is boiled with concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide, sodium salt of the acid is formed. And this on treatment with dilute acid, that is HCl, it gives corresponding carboxylic acid. Example, ethyl acetate, when treated with base, that is sodium hydroxide, it forms by replacement of this C2H5, sodium is placed here and sodium acetate is formed along with C2H5OH, means alcohol. When these on treatment, further treatment with acid, it gives carboxylic acid and NaCl is formed. Next method preparation of carboxylic acid is Grignard's method. Grignard's reagent, that is RMgX, reacts with carbon dioxide to form addition product that can be hydrolyzed to carboxylic acid. C. Alkyl halides is first converted into the corresponding Grignard's reagent and allowed to react with carbon dioxide and further hydrolysis to give carboxylic acid. Rx alkyl halide, when treated with magnesium Mg in presence of anhydrous ether, it gives RMgX, that is Grignard's reagent, which on treatment with carbon dioxide it gives complex. This is again further hydrolysis to give carboxylic acid. See the example: ethyl bromide, magnesium, anhydrous ether. The reaction proceeds to form ethyl magnesium bromide, which on treatment with carbon dioxide it forms this magnesium bromide complex, which further hydrolysis it gives propionic acid. The last method is a carboxylation of alkenes. The alkenes is heated with carbon monoxide and steam under pressure at 300 to 400 degrees centigrade in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst. This is a recent industrial method for making the carboxylic acid and it is called as Koch reaction. This carboxylation of alkenes is also called as Koch reaction. So CH2 double bond CH2 ethene plus carbon monoxide plus water molecule H2O in presence of phosphoric acid at 300 to 400 degrees centigrade temperature, it forms propionic acid. Another example is there: propene when treated with carbon monoxide water in presence of phosphoric acid at 400 degrees centigrade, it gives isobutyric acid. This is another example. So in this way we have prepared various carboxylic acid by using the 6 or 7 methods. For the preparation of this lecture, I have gone through this textbook of organic chemistry by Pal and Pal, and another one is organic chemistry by Morris and Boyle. Thank you for your kind attention.